Hey everybody, welcome to another video, and today we have a unboxing video, and we're going to be talking about this product, and this is in honor of Veterans Day. All right, so let's get this thing open and see what it is. All right. Okay. Oop. And the product comes from, of course, Smoky Mountain Knife Works. And they always send you a little sticker if you buy something from them. The more you buy, the more stickers they send you. And they send you a bunch of course, advertisements and coupons for other products. All right, let's go in there and get this thing out. All right. This is from Marbles, name brand. Okay. And what do we have inside? Let's take a look. It is the Marbles demo knife. And some of you may already know what a demo knife is. As you can see, it is got the US stamp on there. And what this is a utility or pocket knife, just like in a way, the Swiss Army knife issued to the Swiss Army and the German Army. And then you have the Boy Scout knife, which is issued to Boy Scouts, and the Girl Scout knives and the Cub Scout knives. Well, this is what the U.S. military issued or issues. I'm not sure if they still do or not. They're soldiers, okay? And just going by what I've learned from other YouTubers like Tobias and other people who have done videos on this knife, basically that's what it is. It's I'm not sure if this particular brand from Marbles is still issued to the U.S. military. I'm not even sure if they ever did. I know that going by recollection of what Tobias said, I believe Camillus may have made these. Other companies have made these and issued, and they're the ones that actually had this knife issued to the military. But this is the Marbles. The Marbles is a Smoky Mountain Knife Work brand, much like the Rough Riders and Queens, and of course, I believe this is probably made in China, although it says U.S. on it. And it says U.S. on it because it was issued, or knife like this was issued to the U.S. military. Okay? So in honor of Veterans Day, I thought I'd do a video on this knife. And luckily it came today. I ordered it last week. This particular knife is $5 and some change. With shipping and handling from Smoky Mountain Knife Work, it was almost, well, a little bit over $10. Okay? And that was ground shipping. All right, so let's go over the outside of the knife. All steel liners. No gapping. Okay. And you can tell it's 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. All right, let's go over each tool. We have the can opener. And much like the Swiss Army knives, they do not lock. All right. And what does the tang say up here? The tang right there says, I think that says marble. Yeah, I think that says Marbles on the tang. All right, so this is the can opener. All right, go to the next tool. It's the screwdriver and bottle cap lifter. And this one is about the same as the camp knife. The tang also says marbles. Okay. Go to the next tool, and this is the main blade. No half stop. A very smooth opening. And there you go. There's some branding right there on the blade. I'm not sure if you can see it. There you go. It's marbles, quality knives. And the tang on there, it says marbles. Okay. All right. Go to the next tool. And this is the awl. I love pocket knives that have awls in them. I mean, I think they're one of the most useful tools on a pocket knife. And this says marbles. And nowhere do I see the word China on any of these tools. All I see is US stamped on there. So if you know for sure, if I'm not, I was under the impression that all marbles knives were made in China. But if you know differently, please comment in the comment section down below. Educate me. Let me know. Are these made in the USA? Okay. If one of the great YouTubers, the bigger YouTubers, if you happen to see this video, please let me know. Comment down below for me, please. Let me know if these are made in the USA. I don't see anything on the box that says otherwise. Oh, there you go. On the box, it says China. Okay. But then again, you know, like, so I have gotten knives from Smoky Mountain Knife Work where, I don't know, sometimes knives have come in boxes, just generic boxes, so representing that name brand, but I don't know. So I guess it is made in China. It just doesn't say China anywhere on the knife. It has a bail. I like these bails. They make it easy to pull out of little EDC pouches and stuff. You know, as long as this bail is, I don't think I'm going to need a lanyard or anything like that. And I'm going to go ahead and probably make a couple of more videos in the near future of this knife, comparing it to other brands, other makes, other styles. This is definitely, the tool set is definitely reminiscent of the Camp King or the Camp Knife Rough Rider makes. Can opener, main blade, screwdriver, bottle lifter, and all. Okay, so happy Veterans Day, everybody. Thank you for your service, and God be with you. I hope that whatever illnesses or injuries that you have suffered while serving our great nation, I hope you are able to cope with it, and you're doing well. I wish you long and prosperous life. Okay? All right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for me. Thank you. Bye.